Totoo po ba yung 10K reservation fee with complete requirements based sa inyong experience?
Ay,
Hello client! So today, I am here with Sir Kevin, one of our new unit owners dito sa Urban Deca Homes, Ortigas. So ngayon sir, I have a few questions lang po. Una po sir is, kamusta yung process natin ng reservation sa ating unit?
napakadali po yung process, ma'am. With your help po. Super easy lang yung process. And parang hindi ko nga po namalayan. Ito, nag-move na po kami.
Kamusta naman po sir yung ating move-in process bukod dun sa reservation process din natin?
After po ng reservation, ang bilis lang po papag PayPal-ibig. Then with the help of Miss Teen, nagkasikaso po ako ng mga papers within the day. Then okay na ho lahat. Pwede nang lipatan. Thank you, Miss Teen.
Ilang months or weeks sir bago tayo nakapag-move in sa ating unit after the reservation?
Less than 1 month,
Mhm.
actually. Hindi ko inaasahan na ganun kabilis. Pinrocess ko lang siya last
February?
February.
Mhm.
Last week of Feb. Then ito, before March end, less than 2 to 3 weeks na kamove na ako.
Kamusta naman po sir yung experience nyo ng ating customer service? Okay po ba yung turnover sa atin ng ating unit?
Ayos po, after nung punch listing namin, chinek lahat, then electricity and water, and with the help of Miss Tina rin, sinamahan niya po kami to check everything. Then okay naman po lahat so far. Smooth sailing.
Yun, congrats sir. By the way, yung unit po ni sir is 2 bedroom, 35 square meter. Magkano po yung ating reservation fee sir? Totoo po ba yung 10K reservation fee with complete requirements based sa inyong experience?
Ay, totoo ko yun. Actually, after namin pa-reservation ng 10,000, then with the complete requirements, nilakad na kaagad after ma-approve ni Pag-ibig, then ito na ho yun. Okay na lahat. Nakapag-move na kami.
Yun, congrats sir!
Thank you po ma'am. So happy.